Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Ali Raza and you people are watching my channel Blended Learning with Ali Raza. First of all, I want to apologize that I'm coming after a long time because we were busy in our other channel also. Its name is Ghul's Cooking. It's having lot of yummy recipes in it. I will give the link of the channel in the description. Do watch and subscribe and let's start our math lecture again. That basically this video is on the request of one of my students, Michelle William, and he was having some problem in finding out the inverse of a matrix. So let's start. The topic is finding out the inverse of a matrix. In finding out the inverse of a matrix, we have two of the things involved in it. So finding out the inverse, this is the A inverse. A basically is the name of any of the matrix, and inverse minus 1 basically narrates that we need to find out the inverse of a matrix. So A inverse is 1 by determinant, 1 by determinant. This is the mod bracket into adjoint. Apologies for the writing because I'm using this after quite a long time. So hope so I will be used to it again. So, the formula is you need to divide the adjoint of a matrix with a determinant. So let's exemplify this. I have a matrix A. A matrix is, let's suppose this is 1, 2, this is 3 and 4. I have a 2 cross 2 matrix and we need to find out the uh, inverse of this matrix. For finding out the inverse, we need to find out the adjoint and we need to find out the determinant. So I'm finding out the determinant first. A determinant. This is the mod bracket, the representation of the determinant. So how to find out the determinant? So first of all, we need to multiply this diagonal. This is called the principal diagonal. So I'm multiplying this 1 times 4. This is called the principal diagonal. It's the product of the principal diagonal minus the product of the secondary diagonal. This 2 and 3 is the secondary diagonal of this matrix. So 2 times, and you'll be getting 4 times 1 4 minus 6, and you'll be getting negative 2. This is the determinant of the matrix. So the determinant is negative 2. So the next step, we need to find out the adjoint of the matrix A. So how to find out the adjoint? This is the abbreviation ADJ dot adjoint of A. So the matrix was, let's take a look on the matrix. That was 1 2 3 4. Now for finding out the inverse of a matrix, you need to change the positions of the elements of the principal diagonal. So you need to write down 4 here and 1 there, and you need to change the signs of the secondary diagonals. If they are positive, you need to make them negative, and if they are negative, you need to make them positive. So that was 2, I'm making this negative 2, and that was 3, I'm making this negative 3. So this is the adjoint. Now the formula is very simple. Whenever we need to find out the A inverse, this is A inverse. So just write it down 1 by determinant. The determinant is negative 2 and adjoint 4, negative 2, negative 3 and 1. And the better option is you need to divide this negative 2 inside the bracket also. So 4 by negative 2, the answer will be negative 2, and negative 2 by negative 2, the answer will be 1. I'm doing it direct. Negative 3 by negative 2, you need to simply write down 3 by 2 or 1 whole 1 by 2 or 1.5, whatever you want to write it down, you can. And negative 1 by 2. This is the inverse of a matrix A. Let's take one more example. I have a matrix B. Matrix B is, let's suppose, 1 2 0 4. I have this matrix, we need to find out the inverse of this matrix. So first of all, I need to find out the determinant. So first of all, multiply this 1 with 4, means the product of the principal diagonal, 1 times 4, and minus the product of the secondary diagonal, this is 2 times, and you'll be getting the answer for minus 0, and you'll be getting 4. So the answer is 4 for the determinant of the matrix. Now we need to find out the adjoint of the matrix. So adjoint of the matrix, the abbreviation was ADJ dot adjoint of B. I'm finding out. So how to find out? Simply replace these positions. Write on 4 here and 1 here, and change the signs of the secondary diagonal. This is negative 2, and 0 will remain as it is. Don't place a positive or a negative sign with 0, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. I have the value of determinant, I have the value of the adjoint. So what I'm supposed to do now, I am finding out the B inverse. So B inverse was B inverse is equals to 1 by determinant. Determinant is 4, and adjoint is 4, negative 2, 0 and 1. So simply divide this 4 inside the bracket. 4 by 4 you'll be getting 1, negative 2 by 4 you'll be getting negative 1 by 2, and 0 by 4 you'll be getting 0, and 1 by 4 will remain as it. So this is the B inverse. Hope so you got the concept right now, and do subscribe my channel. I hope the concept is clear now, and do comment in case of any confusion. Inshallah I will answer your comment, and to suggest the next topic for the video also. I am planning to make the video for the multiplication of the matrices, so that the matrices concept, the basic two concepts, finding out the inverse and finding out the multiplication of the matrices must be clear. Addition and subtraction is so simple. In the multiplication, inshallah, we will cover up the addition and subtraction also. So see you in the next video. Do comment about the video, and do subscribe my channel and press the thumbs up also. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.